What is up, my good people? Welcome back to another video. Today I made $2,270 and I'm gonna show you how I did just that. What you're looking at right now on the screen is me in the middle of my last trade. It was definitely a work for your money type of trading day today, but that is okay. We came out profitable and that's what matters at the end of the day. We're gonna dive in pretty shortly here and explain a little bit more about why I took this trade and how you can spot a trade like this in the future. So if you wanna learn how to make money like this, stick around. We're dropping free gems and you don't want to miss out on any of it. Apply and challenge yourself and I promise you will be rewarded. These exact trades can be learned by anybody who is willing to put in the effort and improve. So don't give up on yourself. Watch the video to the very end. Learning how to trade does not have to be hard. Remember, the right information will lead you to the right outcomes. So help us out. We're on a mission to get the right information to the right people. And if you're just discovering us, hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to be doing big things in growing this community and you're not going to want to miss out on it. So I hope you're ready to jump in. We're changing lives out here today. And with that, enjoy the rest of the video. What is up, my good people? Welcome back to another live trading video. We are in a trade. Sorry, I only had a few seconds to enter on the move that I saw, and yeah, then I ran to my recording software. And here we are in the trade, and you guys can see it so far. This is how it's going. I think we're up around 10 points or so at this point, right? I'll explain a little bit for why I got in this trade. I am not confident in the full way down, so I haven't put a full take profit here yet, but I do believe that price wants to come down to this 500 level right here. So I can potentially see it at least coming down to there in the next few moments. If it doesn't, we'll look to exit, but I do believe that price overall wants to reverse here. So I am just going to get in on what I'm confident on right here. I am going to probably trail this as this is happening. I just wanted something quick. I wanted to get in and get out. And I do believe though that we should be getting a little nice push, you know, coming up here shortly. But if I get taken out, I get taken out, not a big deal. Okay. All right. And as I just said it, look what's happening. That's pretty awesome. So we're getting that push. I will give this a little bit of room just to work because I think we can get a little bit more of a push, but I'm going to trail this, and I'm going with the idea that I'm okay if I get stopped out. If I do get stopped out, I just want to see a good strong push and I will be happy. I will be a happy Boy Scout. So let's see. Okay, I'm good
Order
taking
filled.
this right here. Awesome. All right, great. We'll take that. That's what the market gave us, and yeah, we'll be happy with that. We're looking pretty nice on the day, so we won't be greedy. 355 on each account. Great way to start the day off. Definitely shows the importance of knowing how to read good price action, being confident as well in the moves that you take, and executing. I'm not feeling bad at all that I didn't stay in this. I'm completely fine taking what I took and just getting pieces of the market. All right, gonna try out this entry. I give this like a C- entry just because I would have preferred to have gotten in a little earlier, but you know, it is what it is. I am going to put my target somewhere around these highs. I think the market wants to get there. Whether it wants to get there sooner rather than later, time will tell, but I don't know if I have the patience for today. I've been seeing myself be a little bit less patient today, so I'm gonna take some of these off the table right now. I'm gonna trail this.
Order
All right,
filled.
cool. We'll take that. Maybe I should have stayed in a little longer. Oh yeah, I definitely should have. Okay, and we're gonna go straight to my initial take profit. Yeah, this is a day I probably shouldn't be trading today, but I am getting away with it somehow with some profits. I'm gonna be happy with what I got. I'm gonna be happy with it. Yeah, just watching this run off and take our initial price target is I'm not gonna lie to you, that's kind of tough. I would have been in there. I'm feeling the salt. I'm feeling the salt right now. I'm definitely feeling it. And yeah, I literally had it written out. It's all good. It's all good. We are still in profit for today. Yeah. So how can I complain? I need to put things into perspective. We're looking pretty good still, so no big deal. I'm gonna give a shorter try right here. We could see lower, but it is kind of unlikely. I'm just gonna wager some of our day's profits on this one. If we get taken out, we get taken out, but if it goes to the downside, that's just gonna be great for us. So I'm not expecting a whole lot here, but we do have a lot of space to the downside to go up, go back down to. I'm not really loving my entry, but I guess we will see here shortly. We should be seeing some momentum come in. Ooh, we left and came back, and this is what we are welcomed with. That is all right. We are starting to see this as not really much of a good trade. I don't want to stay in this for much longer. I'm good with taking this off the table right here, right now. We'll take that off. Not a big deal. At least we tried it. We played it out, and this is what happened. Can't be right all the time, so no big deal there. I think some of our profits probably got chipped off. Yeah, some of our profits got chipped off right here. Not a big deal still. We're still up a lot and still in profit, so we'll continue to put that into perspective. Yeah, it was still all in all a pretty good trading day. I'll probably stop right here. I'm noticing some things in my trading for today, and I'm thinking it would be a good opportunity to kind of take the profits that I have and halt for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're sharing little lives like this all the time, just sharing what I do in the markets, how I think, bits and pieces of my mindset that has helped me become a profitable trader. And that's a really good thing to do. If you want to become a profitable trader, watch what other profitable traders do. We love trading, and we know that it can do wonders for you, your family, and generations to come. So I hope that this is doing something and elevating the level of traders that we have in our community. Hope you guys enjoyed. All we do ask for is a like and subscribe. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. We're going to be doing bigger things in the future, and you don't want to miss out on it. With that, I will see you guys in the next one.